Hello and welcome to this demo on hacking web servers. Okay, so what I have here is my usual Kali box on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I have a server, an Ubuntu server that I've built. As you can see, it's running version 16.04.1, and I'm just going to quickly log in to show you that it has all the updates have been done, all the updates and packages are updated. So in other words, the sysadmin of the server, in theoretical terms, has done a perfect job. His server is up to date, it's patched and everything. However, the web developer who deployed the web application on the server didn't do such a good job, so we're going to compromise this web server. Okay, so if I do an ifconfig on this machine, I can see it's running on IP address 192.168.1.8. So if I go to that application or that IP address from my Kali machine, let's just do that quick, HTTP 192.168.1.8, you can see it's running DVWA, which is damn vulnerable web application, which is the same application we used in the previous module. Okay, so I'm just going to log in. And you can see it's damn vulnerable web application, and the security setting is currently set to impossible, which means all the issues have been resolved. So I just want to quickly show you. So what we're going to do is try and upload a file, and which will then create a backdoor on the server. But if the web developer has done a proper job with validation, and if directory transversal is off, then it shouldn't work, which is exactly what will happen. But let's just try that. So if you go to file upload, it says choose an image to upload. So what Kali has, if you go to this directory, cd usr/share/web shells, or a whole bunch of web shells that you can upload to web servers so that you can compromise them. If I do an ls there, you can see there's some for ASP, ASPX, Cold Fusion, Java, Perl, PHP. So this is a PHP site, so we go cd PHP and do an ls, and the one I want to use is simple backdoor.php. So just to make life easier, I'm just going to copy that to my desktop. So cp simple backdoor.php, and then just to my desktop. Great. So if I just minimize that, there is my backdoor. Okay, let's go back to the web application. Now I'm going to upload that file. As you can see, it's already just didn't do anything because I didn't properly select the file. Simple backdoor.php, open and upload. Okay, as you can see, this server is, or this application is doing proper validation. It says that you must upload an image, and if it wasn't an image, it wouldn't actually accept it. So this is doing proper validation. It's validating that the file that you're uploading is an image. If it's not an image, it won't upload it. Okay, so the web developer did a good job in this case. Let's go back to the security settings now and set it to low, where the web developer didn't do any security validation. Okay, as you can see, it's changed to low. We then go to file upload, and let's upload that backdoor PHP again. So I say open, make sure it's there, and upload. Now you can see it's been uploaded successfully, and more importantly, this tells you that directory transversal is enabled. In other words, I can go to the file system on this Ubuntu server here via the URL. Okay, so let's just quickly go to that that path. Let's just copy that, and we'll just literally just put it into our path over here and paste and go. Okay, so as you can see, there's the usage of that PHP script. So let's actually do exactly what it says. Let's just put that command in, Control C, paste, and it should cat the etc password file. And there it is. So even though I've got a totally hardened server, the web application has left a huge hole where I could go straight in and pull all the password file information from etc paswd. Just for further information, let's just do an ifconfig to see that we are actually on the server. And as you can see, it's running 192.168.1.8. Let's try and make a directory. So mkdir plus and call it test. Okay. We don't know if it worked or not, but that's fine. Let's just do an ls then. It should tell us if it did a directory. And there is the test directory. Okay, so if I go to the actual server now itself and go to cd for www.html, this is where the let me just move that down slightly. This is where DVWA has been installed, and I go to cd hackable and then cd uploads and then do an ls, and let's do an ls minus l. Okay, so you can see there at 822 the simple backdoor PHP was thing, and there is my test directory. I can cd into my test directory and do that. So from here I could create a user and do pretty much a whole bunch of other server work, which would then create and give me access down the line. And that pretty much ends the demo. I hope you can see how having a vulnerable web application allows for command execution on the actual server, and that is also enabled by the directory transversal, which actually allowed us to go to this file over here and execute the PHP backdoor, which we uploaded through the vulnerability. Thank you for watching.